All right, these are 7-inch compression swim trunks. Compression because they have that built-in compression sleeve right there. Really nice. They have zipper pockets, 2 zipper pockets, 1 on each side, which is really nice so stuff doesn't float out when you're swimming. Okay. American flag style. It also has, along with the 2 pockets here, you also have a pocket like in here, where if you want to like maybe throw something in there, and the pocket sort of folds over on itself, if you see there, so the stuff won't come out, which I really like. Got a drawstring, and the compression feels pretty good. I'm about 5'10" to 5'11", 185 pounds, and actually the compression shorts, I have a couple of these pairs. These actually feel really good. They're not too tight, they're not too loose. They feel like they really would stay in place. I really like the American flag design. Definitely be using these on the 4th of July. And there you go. Swim trunks.